Yes, okay, traders. Yeah, welcome again to ASAM Forex. It is another day and another time, and I'm going to share, as usual, a weekend analysis. Actually, it is a better day, and I have what to call a clear market structure this weekend. I have a clear market structure, so stick in this video till the end, and make sure that before you do anything, like this video, put a comment if you have any question or suggestion, and also make sure that you subscribe this channel if it is your first time to visit this channel. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and also make sure that you share this video. It is very important. If you think this video is going to help someone else, just share it. It's very basic. So I'm in a gold spot, and as usual, I'm going to analyze it into 3 different time frames. And basically, I'll end up with the 4-hour time frame, but what I will be sharing on 4-hour time frame will apply in all the remaining lower time frames. Now, if you know how to break down the market, so you can include your analysis in order to get a confluence on those remaining lower time frames. So let me start with the weekly time frame. Maybe let me go with the weekly. Now, what I see there is just this week opened with some push to the upside and then pushed down strongly, and then buyers came in again pushing it up. So we have rejection, lower rejection from the upside, and the bigger one to the downside. But the basic information here is just the overall picture is market is still forming the lower highs, and now we were expecting to have a new low, but that new low has not yet formed, and market has rejected from this position, forming the double bottoms now. So this week we have ended up forming the double bottoms around this area. So that this double bottom is going to hold it true, pushing price to the upside, or is going to be broken. So just keep on watching. In the lower time frames, I'll explain exactly what is mostly likely to happen in gold in the coming week. So let me go to daily time frame. I'm going a little bit quick, at least to have a short video. So now in daily time frame, what I see there is just the double bottoms as usual. You see now price has been rejected strongly from the same position. So now it is clear that buyers, they are around this price value. Most of buyers, they are waiting price around this price value, so they push it up to the upside. So will the price break down? I mean, will the price break this level in the coming weeks, or price will maintain this level? So keep on watching. So now the last 3 candles there, we had the strong one, the indecision, and the strong to the upside. So now this is strong to the upside. It has closed with buying momentum. It has closed with buying momentum. It is still powerful. So now this power now indicates that in the first few days now of the week, especially Monday, now price may have some power to the upside. Now on Monday we can expect it to have some push to the upside, but how far is going to go, how far is going to push? So keep on watching. So basically there is a break and close in of the minor resistance. Maybe we can talk about this level here. So price was respecting this level. We see this minor level. Price was respecting this, and now this candle has broken it. Maybe I can include my drawings now. Let me include my drawings. You see my drawings. So now I want you to understand about this drawing. You have to understand about this. Maybe let me put it in a different color now. Oh, this one is not that clear. Let me put it into green color. Let's see it in green color. Let us see it in green color. The minor resistance. Now this one in green color. So we have a minor resistance. Now this was respected several times now when price was moving down, and now this bullish candle has broken it. A bullish candle has broken it, has penetrated, breaking it, and closed above. So now this is a clear indicator that this resistance is no longer supporting price. Now it's no longer resisting the price. So now price is up. And basically from my drawings, now in my previous 2 weeks analysis, I talked about this resistance. I said that we had this minor resistance and it was broken. Then when the price was moving down, I said now price is going to retest this broken minor resistance. And after retesting, what we have to expect, price is going to bounce up to this major resistance now in yellow color up there. So it's going to move up to this yellow color resistance. And now, then now it was just last weekend I talked about the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the downside. I say now price is going to complete the first wave, then it will move to the upside in the second wave. So now this strong penetration to the upside, it's just information of the second wave. So everything still aligns with what I said in my last weekend analysis. So now how things goes there, this movement to the downside has retested this. So it has moved up, it created a resistance, it has been broken. So we have to expect a retest. We have to expect a retest of this resistance here in green color. Let me remove the dots. A full line now, this one. In green color, we have to expect a retest in this of this trend line in green color. So now before I provide an exact direction of what is most likely to happen in the coming week, let us see news. Because always when I provide direction, I need you to have awareness with the news that have impact on the probable direction that I provide in, based on technical analysis. Now news, they are the fundamental. So basically, now next week, it will be from 24th to 28th. Now from 24th to 28th, now we have got high impact news on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, and Friday. So almost every day we have got the high impact news. So let us expect the price to have those fast movement, you know. So market is going to be very fast, and always avoid to trade during news hours. Avoid to trade during news hours. Technical analysis has nothing to do with the news. So basically you have to stay aware of the market during news hours. That is my own opinions. But if you know how to analyze the fundamentals and trade them, just you may stay in. So now that's how things goes. Now moving in the remaining time frame, now the 4-hour time frame. Now in the 4-hour time frame, what I see there is just a beautiful movement to the upside. This was very beautiful now. A very beautiful, strong to the upside. And this movement to the upside, it looks like to be the 5-wave move now. Maybe if you move to 2-hour and 1-hour time frame down there, you can see clearly the wave count there. But what I see is just to have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now it's like it is in completion of the 5th wave up. Market is in completion of the 5th wave up. So now if it is completing the 5th wave up, so maybe I can put the wave counts there to make it clear. For those who know a lot waves. Now the 2nd, the 3rd, the 4th, the 5th up. So it is in completion of the 5th. So what we have to expect now, on opening of the market, price may have some movement to the upside in completion of the 5th. Then, after completion of the 5th wave, the next thing there is just correction of this 5-wave move to the downside. So when it will be correcting this 5-wave move to the upside, it is when it will be retesting this trend line. It will retest this trend line. After retesting the trend line and completing the correction now, price is going to push up in the final wave. It's going to push up in the final wave in completion of the 2nd wave up. So this 5-wave move against the major direction always is the beginning of correction. A 5-wave move now, this one, against this major downward move is the beginning of correction. And this is going to be a zigzag. This is going to be a zigzag that has got A, B, C to the upside. So let's expect the ABC move to the upside. The ABC move to the upside. That is what we have to expect. The ABC move to the upside. It is in correction of this previous move down. So you can incorporate things like the Fibonacci to know how deep it's going to move. You can put the Fibonacci retracement. You will see this level, the 61 level. 61 level is the most likely level. But sometimes it can go as deep as 78. Sometimes can go as deep as 78. So now that is most likely to happen in the coming. So what we have to do is just, we have to wait for market to complete those first movements now. We have to wait for market to move up. to move down in form of maybe the A, B, C down. We have to expect the A, B, C down. After completion of the A, B, C down, we are going to trade wave C up now. So next week, let's expect it to trade this upward move powerfully. Upward move, this one. Let's expect it to buy. But sometimes you can have some minor movements to the downside, you can trade them. But the beautiful move with this one. So just, those are my overview, and this is just the overall projection of the market for the coming week. So make sure that you incorporate your own analysis, and also make sure that you like this video, you put a comment if you have any suggestion, and also you share this video and subscribe this channel if it's just your first time visiting this channel and you have not yet subscribed. So thank you for your time and have a great weekend.